Do you ever get lost in a new place and don't know how to ask for help in English? In this video, we'll show you how to ask for directions in 15 real-life places. Simple, clear, and perfect for beginners. Let's start your English journey. Right here on the street.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for a bank. Do you know where the nearest bank is?
Yes, go straight ahead for 2 blocks. Then, turn left at the traffic light. The bank will be on your right side.
2 blocks straight, then left. Got it. Is it far from here?
Not at all. It's about a 5-minute walk.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hi there. Sorry to bother you.
No problem. How can I help you?
I'm trying to find a bank. Can you tell me where one is?
Sure. Just walk down this street, past the bakery on the right, and then you'll see a pharmacy. The bank is right next to the pharmacy.
Walk past the bakery, then next to the pharmacy. Okay. Is it close?
Yes, very close. It should take you only 3 or 4 minutes.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Good luck.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Sure. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the bank inside the mall.
The bank is on the 2nd floor, near the food court.
How do I get to the 2nd floor?
You can take the escalator just behind you. Go up, then turn right.
Thank you. Is the bank easy to see?
Yes. It has a big blue sign, and it's next to the pizza place.
Great. Thanks a lot for your help.
Anytime. Enjoy your day.
Hello. I need to find a bank. Can you help me, please?
Of course. Are you new here?
Yes, I just arrived and I need to exchange some money.
No problem. When you leave the station, turn right. Walk straight for about 300 meters. You will see a big blue sign. That's the bank.
Turn right and walk straight for 300 meters. Got it.
It's right next to a supermarket, so you can't miss it.
Thank you so much. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time here. Hello. Sorry to interrupt, but can you tell me where the nearest bank is?
Sure. Walk along this street until you see a clothing shop. Then take the second left. The bank is right across from a fruit stand.
Across from a fruit stand? Like yours?
No, another one. It's a bigger stand with bananas and apples. You'll see it easily.
Okay, thank you. That's very helpful.
No problem. Have a good day.
Hi, do you know where I can find a bank nearby?
Yes. When the number 5 bus comes, get on it. Get off at the third stop, Main Street.
The third stop. Okay. Is the bank near the bus stop?
Yes. When you get off, the bank is just across the street.
Great. How long is the ride?
Around 10 minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Safe travels.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a bank. Do you know where I can find one?
Yes, sure. You see that yellow building? That's the post office. The bank is the red building right next to it.
Oh, I didn't notice it. Thank you.
No worries. It's easy to miss. Have a good day.
You too. Good morning. Can you tell me where the nearest bank is?
Good morning, of course. When you exit the hotel, turn left and walk for about 100 meters. The bank will be on your right.
Can I walk there or should I take a taxi?
You can walk. It's very close and safe.
Thank you. That's very helpful.
You're welcome. Let us know if you need anything else.
Hello, is there a bank near here?
Yes. Drive straight for about 500 meters, then turn right at the traffic light. The bank is on the corner.
Is there parking available?
Yes, there's a small parking lot in front of the bank.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Drive safely.
Hi there. Can I ask you a quick question?
Sure.
I'm trying to find the nearest bank. Can you help?
Yes. Walk past the fountain, go out through the north gate and turn left. The bank is just down the road.
About how long will that take?
Just 5 minutes on foot.
Thanks. That's very kind of you.
My pleasure. Hello. Can you take me to the nearest bank, please?
Sure. Which bank would you like to go to?
Any bank is okay. I just need to withdraw some money.
All right. I'll take you to the city center branch. It's big and easy to find.
Sounds good. Thank you.
No problem. Let's go.
Excuse me, do you know where I can find a bank nearby?
Actually, you're very close. Just turn around. That red building across the street is the bank.
Oh, wow. I was looking the wrong way.
It happens. Have a great day.
Thanks again. You too. Hello, do you know if there's a bank near this store?
Yes, there is one just outside. After you exit the main doors, turn right. It's right next to the pharmacy.
Thank you. I didn't see it when I came in.
It's easy to miss, but it's there.
Great. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, could you tell me if there's a bank around here?
Yes. Leave the store, cross the street, and go left. Walk for about 2 minutes. You'll see a bank beside the coffee shop.
Got it. Cross the street, go left, and next to the coffee shop.
Exactly. It's not far.
Thanks a lot.
No problem. Have a nice day.
Hi. I just paid with cash. Is there a bank nearby where I can withdraw more?
Yes. Exit through the main door, then walk to your left. You'll find an ATM at the corner, and the bank is just next to it.
Is it open today?
Yes, it's open until 5 p.m.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
Anytime. Enjoy your visit.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. So, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more beginner English lessons and leave a comment below. Tell us, where do you want to go next in English? Hit the bell so you never miss a new lesson. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.